Ready for some nugs?
Super nuts.
Super nugs? Get in the green room? The black screen room? Huh, McKenna?
It's a big juicy one. It's down there. It's so beautiful.
I know. Yeah.
She like try to pull or anything?
Not at all. She just is constantly looking, trying to find me. Once I get out of the water, she like goes berserk. Dude, it looks so fun. She loves the water. Yeah, up there. Have you ever been up there? You a good girl? Who's a good girl? Is McKenna a good girl? Maybe she's learning now. She's just standing there. She's like, I don't want to go up to the Black's hut. I want to go surf with you guys. McKenna, come here. Oh, yeah. Woo, woo. McKenna, good girl. That's a good girl. McKenna, come here. Oh, look at this left right here.